Hi children, a very good morning. I want you to look at the slide and guess what is the topic that we are going to discuss today. I think you got the answer. It is creepy, crawly animals. I want you to quickly go get your content book and a pencil with it. So let's go and start reading about it. The topic that we are going to discuss today is body parts of an insect and food insects eat. The first topic that we are going to discuss is body parts of an insect. Insects are of different sizes and colors. An insect's body is divided into three parts: the head, the thorax, and the abdomen. If you look at the image, I am highlighting each of the part. The first one is the head, then comes the thorax, and then the abdomen. So the first part is head. The head of an insect has two eyes and a pair of antennae on it. You know why we use eyes? It is used to see the world. The same for the insects. And the antenna helps them to feel or touch. Here is the image of antenna. The antenna is also known as feelers. An insect's antenna help to smell and taste too. So it is almost similar to our tongue and nose. The thorax is the middle part of an insect's body. Here comes the second part, that is thorax. The legs and the wings are attached to the thorax. Here you see the wings and then the legs. All insects have 6 legs. More than 2? They usually have a pair of wings. Some insects have 2 pairs of wings. The last part that we have is abdomen. The abdomen is at the end of the body. I've highlighted here in the image. So we end our first topic here and let's go to the second topic, that is food insects eat. Here is the image where you can see different insects eating different kinds of food. Let's see what each insect eats. Insects need food just like other living things. Different type of insects eat different kinds of food. Let's move to the next page and see what each insect eat. Ants and cockroaches eat sugar, jam, fruits, and other sweet things. Grasshoppers eat leaves of plants. Butterflies suck nectar from flowers. Different insects have different kinds of mouth parts. That's why different insects eat different kinds of food. We have got an answer on why different insects eat different kinds of food. Here we end today's topic and tomorrow we will continue this chapter. In the meantime, I want you to get your workbook and let's discuss the questions that we have there. The first question we have is list the body parts of each insect. As you can see, there are 3 insects. You will have to name the insect and the body parts that the insect have. The number of body parts that you need to mention is 4. So the first image that you see is a cockroach. From the previous lesson, let's see what all body parts does the cockroach have. If you see, antenna is one major part. Does a cockroach has an antenna? Yes. So let's mark antenna for cockroach. Then the other part that we have is head. Cockroach obviously has a head. So let's write head. The next part that we see is eyes. The cockroach also has eyes. Let's write the fourth part as eyes. And one more, that is legs. Let's mention the same here. The same way, I want you to fill the remaining 2 and let's meet in the next class. Goodbye.